low altitude, high speed capability of the F-16. As he passes show center, he'll be traveling over 650 miles per hour, half the Viper's top speed. Major Corrigan returns to show center. He'll accelerate randomly and snap the Viper for 3 aileron rolls, demonstrating his exceptional rolling maneuverability. And now, from the left, it's Ryder in the triple. In a dogfight, the ability to turn tight is crucial. Watch now from the right as Major Corrigan shows you just how exceptional the F-16 is in a 9G turn. At show center, he'll bend sharply into a tight turn, stretching his body to see with up to 9 pounds of force in normal gravity. In the full 360, F-16 has a turn radius of less than 1,400 feet. Fighter in the world today. Major Corrigan will now demonstrate the F-16's grip handling characteristics as he performs a 4-point roll. And now from the left, fighting Falcon in the 4-point roll. Are you ready for some noise? How about it, Waterloo? Are you ready for the sound of freedom? Watch now as Major Corrigan rock and rolls the F-16 at speeds approaching Mach 1.
That was fast.
Yeah, because you could see the plane even before you heard it and everything.
Yeah.
Like when you heard it.
Major Corrigan is now getting ready to demonstrate the F-16's ability to maneuver tight and stay unpredictable. A trait which helps the Viper survive against low altitude threats. Then quickly transition from a horizontal flight into the vertical. And now from the left, it's the F-16 in the Falcon turn, followed by the Shark Suit. The F-16's fly-by-wire flight control system that allows the jet to draw such precise corners.